We're not always able to accurately identify what we're feeling in terms of emotions. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but sometimes it just feels heavy. I feel this heaviness, this weight on me. And so even if we can't specify the correct word for what we're feeling other than heaviness, that's a great place to start. So allow yourself to be aware on a scale of 0 to 10 how much heaviness you might be feeling. And if you're willing to take full responsibility for your own well being, please tap with me. Even though I feel this heaviness, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I have this heavy feeling, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I feel this heaviness, and I might not be exactly sure what it's about, I just feel weighed down. And even though I have this heavy feeling, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be putting some weight on me, because I choose to feel that free. All this heavy feeling, all this heaviness, all this emotional weight that feels very physical right now. It's weighing me down. It's bringing me down. Makes it very hard to move. I've got things to do, places to go, but I have all of this weight on me, and it's so hard to move. It makes it hard to think, at least hard to think clearly. And I'm processing this. Whatever this heaviness is about, I am chipping away at it, allowing myself to lighten up, even if just a little bit. Can I let go of some of this? I'm allowing myself to get curious about why part of me might want to be weighed down. Why should I feel this heaviness? And how might it be protecting me? What am I afraid would happen if I didn't have this heavy feeling? If I allowed myself to lighten up, what kind of harm am I afraid of? All these reasons for hanging on to this heavy feeling. Part of me might say it's not a choice. It's just how I feel. I'm processing this. All of these thoughts that are weighing heavily upon me. Bringing me down. I wonder how many of them might be misunderstandings. Maybe I could get curious and see if these things that are weighing me down are the truth, or if it's necessary for them to weigh me down. Is there something I could do about this? And am I afraid to do so? And I'm processing these fears, clearing them from every fiber of my being, allowing myself to feel that it's safe to lighten up. I don't need to be pinned to the ground. I'm allowing myself to get up. Shaking off this extra weight. So I have the freedom to feel better and the freedom to do better in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And hopefully you feel lighter. Lather, rinse, repeat as necessary, or maybe during that tapping, you became more aware of what might be weighing you down, and you might find another video that might have more accurate wording for you. Uh, Please and thank you for setting yourself free to lighten up and do what you can do to make the world a better place. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.